with Adas, and today I am going to teach you about greater, smaller and equal numbers. Now what are numbers? These are the numbers which you have learnt about in your previous classes. How do we read them? They are read as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I'll keep this aside, and now I'm going to tell you what are greater, smaller and equal numbers. For this I have a small example to tell you. Here you can see your favorite teddy bears and puppy toys. So you can see that this teddy bear is very big and this puppy is very small. So we can say that this teddy bear is greater and this puppy is smaller. So now the next example is this. Here you can see 2 pens, and then you can understand that these are same. So we say that these are equal. So we learn that same things are equal. So let's learn in more details. Greater. What is greater? When a thing is big, we call it great. So when during a comparison we find that a number is greater than or has more value and is bigger than other numbers in the set, we say that that particular number is greater than the others. So let's take an example of 2 and 1. So we know that 2 can be represented like this and 1 can be represented like this. So we know that 2 is more than 1. So we can say that 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. So next, I'll give you a question. So tell me which one is greater, 6 or 4? Yes, you are correct. 6 is greater than 4. So 6 is greater than 4 because 6 has more value than 4. Similarly, we can say that 8 has more value than 5. Thus, 8 is greater than 5. 2 is greater than 0 because 2 has greater value than 0. Greater than is represented by a symbol, by this symbol. This symbol looks like an arrowhead. So we can say that a bigger number is greater than a smaller number. And what is smaller? When we find that a number is small, we tell that it is a smaller number. When a number is small, we tell that a number is smaller. So when during a comparison we find that a number is very small than its other numbers in the set, we say that that particular number is smaller. So we can say that small numbers are smaller. So in this example we find 3 and 4. We know that 3 has lesser value than 4. 4 is greater than 3. So we can say that 3 is lesser than 4. Similarly, we can do other questions. Now, tell me which one is smaller, 1 or 3? Yes, you are correct. 1 is smaller than 3 because 3 is greater than 1, has more value than 1. Similarly, we can say that 1 has less value than 3, so 1 is lesser than 3. Similarly, we know that 8 is less than 9 and 4 is less than 7. Thus, a smaller number is less than a big number. Then, what is equal? When during the comparison between two numbers, we find that they are same. They are the same. We say that they are equal. For example, 5 equals to 5. Because 5 is the same as 5. So, equals to is represented by this symbol. Similarly, we can say that 6 equals to 6. Now tell me which comparison do we find between 4 and 4? Yes, equal. 4 is equal to 4 because they are the same. Similarly, we know that 2 equals to 2. That is, a number is always equal to itself. So here are the signs for greater, smaller and equal. Greater is represented like this, less than like this, and equals to is represented by two straight lines. Do you recognize this picture? Can you tell which animal is this? Yes, this is a crocodile and this lives in water. So, I am going to tell you a crocodile story for teaching you the concept of greater, smaller and equal numbers better. So, a crocodile is always hungry. It is very greedy and it always wants to go towards the place which has more food. So, here you can see the crocodile, and now it finds that there are two places. One place has 4 foods and one place has 10 foods. The right has 10 foods and the left has 4 foods. Therefore, the crocodile knows that 4 is very less and 10 is very big. So, it will always move towards more food. The crocodile wants to go to a place which has more food for it so that it can eat even more. So, the mouth of the crocodile is open towards the direction which has more food, and it puts its tail towards the side which has less food. So, from this sign we can understand that the open ends are the mouth of the crocodile and the closed end, the pointed one, is the tail of the crocodile. This symbol can be said that this is the mouth of the crocodile and this is the tail of the crocodile. And then we have another example, 8 and 3. Which one is greater? 8. So the crocodile will open its mouth towards 8, and thus we can see that the crocodile is opening its mouth towards 3, and the formation is much like the greater than symbol. So we can say that 8 is greater than 3. Then here we can see a comparison between 2 and 8. We know that 2 is less than 8, and thus what will the crocodile do? The crocodile will point its tail towards 2 and thus will open its mouth towards 8, and thus we can see that the crocodile is doing the same thing, opening its mouth towards 8 and pointing its tail towards 2. So we can say that 2 is less than 8. Here we can see a comparison between two equal numbers, 5 and 5. So we can say that the crocodile is quite confused in which direction it should go, and it does not go in any direction, and thus it stays in the same place because they are equal. Here is a quick revision of greater than, less than and equal to symbols. Thank you. Thank you for attending my video. Bye.